प्यारे दोस्तों, वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। एक तो जब भी मैं शूट करने बैठती हूँ सोचती हूँ कि वीडियो शूट करना है, लोगों को सारा कंस्ट्रक्शन खटखट सब उसी टाइम करना होता है। Anyways, let's get started with our videos for today. So, I am super duper excited for today's video. I have got all the clothes which I have got from Savannah, and I'm so excited too because I am shooting long format video after a very long time. So yeah, you guys, let's get started. Okay, so all these outfits, accessories, even the press-ons, whatever I have got from Savannah, I have wore them and used them on my recent trip to Europe. So they are tried and tested, and after wearing and using them, here are the truth I'll be spilling out today. What worked for me, what looked cute, and what didn't survive the suitcase. There's a sneaky discount hack I'll be sharing at the end of the video, so stick till the end. And also I'll be time-stamping all the products, so in case if you want to go ahead and check any particular specific product, let's get into it. So first product is this bodycon dress. It is in the color apricot, and I have wore this to theater in Milan because it was looking elegant in the pictures. When I ordered it, it was looking like this on Savannah. I was not sure if it's gonna turn out well on my body or not because bodycon dress doesn't suit every body type. Cloth and the fabric is too good, and it serves the elegance. Parties maybe, or for your formal events, even for the formal events, it's the must have. I think you can definitely go ahead and wear this, and it is very comfortable. You know, it's not like that skin is showing too much, or like you are getting uncomfortable like from here, from there, like straps and all. No, nothing like that. You can definitely go ahead. There is a slit cut here over here. I am pasting the pictures how it turned out when I wore this in the theater. It has a square neck, and I have styled it with a pearl necklace and white netted gloves because you know India में तो नहीं पहन सकते।
मैं कहीं पे कोई ऐसे ओकेजन ही नहीं होती है, मैं तो कहीं जाती रहती हूँ कि जहाँ पे ऐसे नेकलेस पहन के जा सके। आई डोंट इवन हैव क्रिश्चियन फ्रेंड्स जो कि शादी करेंगे चर्च में जाके, तो मैं वहाँ पे इस तरीके का ड्रेस अप कर पाऊंगी। आई थिंक ओनली ब्राइड्स वेयर दैट इन चर्चेस, आई एम नॉट श्योर, आई हैव सीन ओनली इन पिक्चर्स।
And so I wanted to do something elegant, so this goes 9 out of 10. Definitely comfort, fabric, cloth and look, it serves everything. Next product is this 2-layered necklace. So I have got this from Savannah. I think it was for around 100 rupees only. Wearing it, it was good until it lasted. It was good, but पानी के कांटेक्ट में आने के बाद I think इसने शायद ये black color करना शुरू करा. But still, for 100 rupees, what more you can ask? It looked literally very pretty. I am sharing the pictures here. You can check them out. Okay, so next is this yellow and summer essential dress. It is a A-line cut. A-line or cutout dress called it, and it is a summer essential, guys. It is so cute. It has these cherries on it. Because of that I have got it. And also on the Pinterest, it was literally a Pinterest inspired dress. I'm sharing the pictures here, and I'm sharing the pictures which I wore that in Switzerland's village, and it turned out really pretty and really cute, to be honest. So yeah, this was the dress. And the price for which I have got this quality, the look, I think the price is totally worth it. I don't know how Savannah is making profit, or Savannah how serving all these clothes, but yeah, definitely these dresses or clothes or pieces are must have. 500 something, like 523 or 520 something. So yeah, this was the dress. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट, यू कैन गेस नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. आई डोंट थिंक सो किसी हॉल में या फिर किसी वीडियो में आप एक्सपेक्ट भी करोगे कि कोई आपको सॉक्स दिखाएगा. एंड सवाना की हॉल में आई एम शोइंग यू दीज 2 पीसेज ऑफ सॉक्स. सच्ची बता रही हूँ, बहुत ही प्यारे, बहुत ही क्यूट है. मैंने एक बार रैंडमली देखे थे कहीं पे, एंड आई ट्राइड टू फाइंड दो सॉक्स, बट मुझे कहीं नहीं मिले. एंड देन सवाना came to the rescue. They looked super cute, and that's why these socks. So one is this with frills, these frills at the top of these socks, and they are completely netted. So they are completely netted and they look super cute. You can definitely give it a shot. So these one are the cheap one, like little cheaper than that frill one. So these are the simple one, you can see. So these are the simple one, and these are with the frills. Okay, so this frill one I have got it for 280 rupees, and this simple one I think I have got it around 100 or something, 100 or 10 something. So I have got all these all together. I ordered it, so I have got a discount. Not all together, basically, like in groups I have ordered it, so yeah, I have got discount on these. So I'll be sharing that discount hack in at the end of the video. So yeah. Okay, so next dress is the cutest summer dress, I will say to it. The color is really this serves the summer vibe, a summer vibe. Yellow, no, not yellow, exactly yellow, but yeah, lemon yellow kind of. So this is the dress. I think बहुत लोग इसको पहले ही wear कर रहे हैं, काफी influencers वगैरह भी. और कर ही नहीं सकता Savannah. Thank you so much. Yes, this is the flare dress. I have got it and I have wore it to the Trevi Fountain in Rome, and the pictures turned out great. You can see, and also you can style it with a red cardigan or red cardigan, or maybe a red shrug or red crop shrug or red. I mean, it goes with red or white perfectly, because the color is like really really vibrant, and it goes in the contrast. I'll show that picture too. I got it something around, I think, 1100 or 1000. In that circle only. I would rate this dress again 8 out of 10, because it's not that much soft, but it is still a great dress. But you can definitely give it a shot. So next product is the press-ons from Savannah. Okay, so I'm such a nail paglu, because this is the new term I have learned from the internet. I'm such a nail paglu. मेरे पास इतने सारे नेल्स है सवाना के, एंड आई हैव गॉट दिस वन टू, बिकॉज मुझे वो पिंक वाले की क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी लगी, तो आई हैव गॉट द सेम इन द ब्लैक कलर टू. आई थिंक आई नीड है. असली नेल्स तो मेरे बढ़ते ही नहीं हैं, मतलब बढ़ते हैं, ऑब्वियसली बढ़ते हैं, बट बहुत जल्दी टूट जाते हैं. बहुत ही हल्के पतले नेल्स हैं मेरे, एकदम टूट जाते हैं. और यू कैन सी राइट नाउ, दुख है मेरा दुख अलग है भाई. और बट सवाना के जो नेल्स हैं वो क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी है, कुछ नेल्स की, सबकी नहीं है, कुछ नेल्स की बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है. और ये इज दिस ब्लैक waist kind of darted tank top. It is basically a top, but it gives you that waistcoat kind of look, but it looks very nice and decent and elegant. It serves the class, literally it serves the class if you style it the right way. And but if you do not wear it with something else, I think it will be a little deep, like deep neck area, because you can see this much is the neck. So this much if is the neck, then this goes like literally a deep one. So if you are comfortable and you can style it that way, then you can definitely style it that way. But I have styled it like this. I'll be showing the picture here, and you can definitely check this out. I have worn this with the white shirt and a black trouser. Initially I thought to wear it with a black skirt, but my skirt did not go well with this one, because my skirt is not that one, cotton pleated in the black. But yeah, that trouser turned out to be great add on to this waistcoat and this shirt look. So yeah, definitely check this out. You can definitely give it a shot for the summers. I think this will be a great change of wardrobe, change of look, if you are just wearing the dresses and the one pieces and shirt, pant or tee only. You can definitely check this out and style it your way. I think around 500 only, I think 595 or like between 500 and 600 only. I got it, and it is a really great add-on to your wardrobe, because you can style it in many ways. You can wear it with the black shorts, you can wear it with the black trousers, you can wear it with denims. You can definitely check this one out, and for the 500, I think it is a good investment in your wardrobe collection. Definitely check this out. Also, I bought, I don't have that product right now because I've returned it. I have bought this top, this in the blue color. I'm showing the picture here, and I have returned it. The reason is because it was not very comfortable for me, because I don't know, it did not suit my body or my body type, and it was a little bit transparent. So I thought, and the quality was not that much great, to be honest. You can check it out. Like, color is a very happy color, like summer color blue, but for me it was not that great, so I returned it. But I would not suggest going ahead with that one, even until or unless you are a very skinny girl. You can definitely go ahead, but if you are a little chubby, so I think you can skip that top. Next is the inspiration is from, I think, 2 places I got this inspiration. One from the Pinterest, and before the Pinterest it was from Rachel Green. A pleated skirt with the black high neck, by black turtleneck. So this is the pleated skirt I have got from Savannah. I have seen many pleated skirts on many websites, so I was a little bit skeptical about this one too, because they were giving it for a really good price. So I thought, I am not sure how it's gonna turn out, and it comes with a belt too. So belt इतनी ज़्यादा कोई खास इसकी क्वालिटी नहीं है, but वो for this skirt it looks really great. मतलब अगर आप सोचो कि इसको किसी और पैंट पे पहन लोगे तो ऐसा नहीं है. I don't think so वो कुछ होल्ड कर पाएगी उतना वो इसके साथ, but it was looking great. Rachel Green was the inspiration, and I always wanted wanted to recreate that iconic look, so I did create it in Switzerland. I'm showing the pictures here how it turned out. I'm showing the clip here how I looked wearing this one. So it turned out a really great outfit. Even I got compliments from my friends that out of many outfits they like this one, and obviously the inspiration was Rachel Green. Also one more thing, it comes with the underpants. It comes with the shorts. Okay, so shorts are not that much sturdy, you definitely have to wear something else too, but yeah, it comes with the underpants. Okay, next one again is the accessory, because accessory is important for the dresses, right? This bow golden hoop earrings, these small one, and they look super cute. I wanted something in bow, but I got these hoops, not the tops, not those studs, but the hoops I have. They are like this one, like this, and click. So they are very comfortable to wear because वो ऐसा पोक नहीं करता कान पे अगर आप हेडफोन्स वगैरह भी पहन रहे हो तो hoops का ये मुझे अच्छा लगता है. And then I've got this pearl necklace. They have this cute butterfly in the center. आप चाहो तो उसको निकाल भी सकते हो, but I don't think so आपको निकालना चाहिए. वो ऐसे ही अच्छा लगता है. It goes with every outfit. It can go with this one, like this lemon yellow. It can go with this too. Both of these I have got around 150, like 150 each, 150, and they definitely serves the purpose. Now it's time for the last but not the least product, and my favorite out of all the products or dresses I have got from Savannah for my trip, and it was the favorite. I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna tell you the reason. This will be the 10 out of 10. I'm telling you before showing the product, 10 out of 10. There's this red dress. So this red dress, the inspiration was this one, but inspiration was like little bit too much for me. I know that I definitely cannot wear something that much body showing kind of dress, because that much revealing dress I will not be comfortable to roam around the street. That I know that कपड़ा वही पहनो जिसमें तुम confident feel करो. Still, that was the inspo, and I wanted something related to that, and then I have found this dress from Savannah. I'm showing the pictures here. It is super cute, the cloth, the quality and the look. This dress is backless. It's backless, and it has this bow, like this ribbon. You can tie it as a bow. So this is a cutest and the best purchase I have had from Savannah for my trip. It is really comfortable to wear. It is really comfortable to roam around, and you can style it with stockies, skin color stockies, or without the stockies. You can go to the picnic if you go to the picnic. Like, who goes to the picnic? Indu. But still, this is definitely a cutest dress. I have wore it to Colosseum, and that's how my pictures turned out. Not that much weight, but yes, still. Can you guess the price? I have got it for just 1K. Like 1K. Can you believe it? I though cannot believe it, because the quality, the color, the everything, the look, it serves everything, and under 1K. I mean, आपका तो पता नहीं. I was so sure. Yeah, that was all in this video. These were the products I have got from Savannah for my trip, and you can definitely style them in your summer wardrobe. And as I promised in this start that I'll be sharing a quick discount hack with you all for extra discount. So here we go. You can go to the Instagram and search Savannah. You do not have to open anything from these profiles. You have to search Savannah and directly go, either open any reel posted by an influencer, open any post posted by an influencer, check description or their video. There will be their paid partnership code will be there, discount coupon. You use that code and go to cart, apply that coupon in your Savannah, and voila, you are good to go. You have the extra discount, and also give a follow to that influencer whose code you are using, because it takes effort to create content and share code and get the code from the brand. So definitely go ahead and try this tip. I don't know if you already know this tip or not, but I sometimes do use this tip because it helps me to get extra discount apart from the discount which Savannah gives. Try this out, and yeah, happy shopping. Hope you got some inspiration, and let me know in the comments which product or piece you like the most and you might be considering shopping it. And अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, helpful लगा हो, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.